How to fix Discord microphone not working. Method 1. Select the correct input device in Discord. Open Discord, and click User Settings. In the left pane, select Voice and Video. Open the Input Device drop-down menu, and select your preferred microphone. Method 2. Reset Discord voice settings. Open Discord, and click User Settings. In the left pane, select Voice and Video. Scroll to the bottom, and click the Reset Voice Settings button. Click OK to confirm the action. Method 3. Allow Discord to access your microphone. Right-click the Start button and select Settings. Select the Privacy and Security tab, and select Microphone in the App Permissions section. Toggle on Microphone Access if it's disabled. Toggle on Let Apps access your microphone if it's disabled. Toggle on Let Desktop Apps access your microphone if it's disabled. Method 4. Disable Advanced Voice Activity. Open Discord, and click User Settings. In the left pane, select Voice and Video. Scroll down to the Voice Processing section, and toggle off the Advanced Voice Activity setting. If that doesn't work, in the Noise Suppression section, disable Crisp by selecting Standard or None. Method 5. Disable Quality of Service. Open Discord, and click User Settings. In the left pane, select Voice and Video. Scroll to the Quality of Service setting, and toggle off Enable Quality of Service High Packet Priority. Method 6. Disable Exclusive Mode. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in mmsys.cpl, and click OK. Select the Recording tab. Select your input device, and click Properties. Then, select the Advanced tab. Uncheck the Allow Applications to take exclusive control of this device checkbox. Uncheck the Give Exclusive Mode Applications Priority checkbox. You can try selecting a lower sound quality as well. Open the default format menu, and select a lower quality setting. Click Apply, and click OK. Method 7. Update or reinstall the microphone driver. Right-click the Start button, and select Device Manager. Expand the Audio Inputs and Outputs list. Right-click your microphone or headset, and click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. If updating the driver didn't fix the issue, right-click the device again, and click Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall when prompted. Restart your PC. Windows will install the latest compatible driver for the device automatically. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.